Department of Robotics Automation, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to our vibrant academic community. The Department of Robotics Automation was established in the year 2019, the Silver Jubilee celebration of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, with a vision to nurture the innovation-driven engineers in the field of advanced automation. We started the UG program B.E. Robotics and Automation, and now we have expanded offer a postgraduate program in M.Tech in Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. There's a keeping changes with the global advancements in the field of AI and automation. Our curriculum is developed in collaboration with the leading knowledge partners, industry partners, Craftsman Automation, L&T Technologies Services, Wipro and SMC India. Through this synergy, we ensure our students are equipped not only with the strong academic fundamentals but also with the skills that meet the real world industry demands. The department have state-of-art laboratories in the areas like autonomous mobile robot, smart factory, industry 4.0, PLC and HMI systems, pneumatics and grippers lab, sensors and actuators lab, and robot programming lab. We strongly believe in hands-on training and practices, and our students are regularly engaged in internships, industry consultancy projects, innovation laboratories, and nation-level competitions. We are proud to say that this is the first industry collaborative program in the institution with a strong focus on project-based learning and research and skill development through certified training programs in the areas like RAS, AMR, and Industry 4.0. As I get head of the department of this dynamic department, I assure that our team of passionate faculty and industry-aligned curriculum will guide our students, not just the job seekers, but innovators, problem solvers, and leaders of the automation era.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. R. Sudhakar, Associate Professor in the Department of Robotics and Automation. Welcome to the Center of Excellence in Smart Factory, a pioneering hub that brings Industry 4.0 to the life through a strategic collaboration with Wipro. This cutting-edge facility showcases some of the advanced robotic automation solutions shaping the future of manufacturing. A key highlight is the Delta Axis, a high-speed robot designed for the ultra-fast pick-and-place operations. Known for its exceptional agility and accuracy, it plays a crucial role in high-throughput packaging and assembly lines, effectively demonstrating the real-world power of parallel kinematics. We also feature a ABB IRB 1200 model, a compact yet powerful industrial robot engineered for high-speed, high-precision tasks in industrial applications. Another standout is the Hanwha HCR5, a 6-axis collaborative robot built to work safely alongside humans with a payload capacity of 5 kg and a reach of 915 mm. It excels in inspection, assembly, and pick-and-place operations. Its intuitive programming interface allows students to easily program and learn and deploy the automation solutions. Complementing these industrial systems are educational platforms like JetMax and Microbot. The JetMax, a desktop-scale SCARA robot, robotic arm, and Microbot, a 6-axis collaborative robot, is ideal for the industrial-based training. Together, these advanced technologies create a rich, immersive ecosystem while students engage directly with real-world industrial applications.
Dear learners, I am Sarveshwaran, Assistant Professor, Department of Robotics and Automation. Welcome to SREC SMC Center for Pneumatics and Grippers. This is a dedicated learning platform. Practical experience in automation and control engineering. This lab is well equipped with pneumatics, Siemens PLC, and AutoSim software. So, allowing the students to both simulate and operate a real-world pneumatic system with accuracy and hands-on. What makes this lab unique is a strong emphasis on preparing students for Industry 4.0. Smart systems, connected devices, and automated processes are reshaping modern manufacturing. So, through hands-on experiment, students build the confidence and competence needed for careers in smart manufacturing, robotics, and industry IoT. So, in essence, the Center for Pneumatics and Grippers offers more than just training. It provides a practical foundation for future engineers to thrive in a technology-driven real world and industrial world.
Welcome to Automation Control System Laboratory,
where learning meets real-world application.
This lab is designed to give students practical, hands-on experience in automation and control system engineering, bridging the gap between classroom theory and industrial practice. At the core of the lab are advanced tools like basic nano PLC trainer kit and a wide range of do-it-yourself automation kits. These tools allow students to explore, experiment, and truly understand the functioning of the control system used in today's industry. From programming logic circuits to setting up real-time control operations, students dive into key concepts such as PLC programming, relay logic, timers, counters, and sequential controls. The lab encourages both guided learning and independent innovation. Students are not just following instructions, they are building solutions, troubleshooting systems, and developing the skills needed for modern industrial environment. Whether it is designing a control sequence or integrating sensors into an automation process, the experience gained here prepares students for the demands of Industry 4.0. The Automation Control System Lab is not just a place to learn, it's where the future engineers are made.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kishore Kumar, working as Assistant Professor, Selection Grade in the Department of Robotics and Automation. I am the lab in charge of this Autonomous Mobile Robotics Lab. In this lab, equipped with various experiments, starting from the basic locomotion, how the mobile robots forwards and backward motions, and various planning and navigation performance will be done by the students with our equipments. The latest concepts of the RASP tank and Lego E3 kits and quad powered experiments are available. So here we are just giving the training on the students in terms of the localization and navigation concepts. The latest software like ROS2 experiments are available here in order to explore the basic concepts of localization and planning for both indoor and outdoor experiments. So as outcome, the students are participating in the various hackathons as outcome of this lab experiments. So we are giving training on the RAP stand and as well as your ROS2 based experiments, and we have some AI based Jetson available kits available, and Jet Auto ROS robots are available. So likewise we can have the wide variety of mobile robotics kits available in our lab.
Welcome to Open Innovation Lab. Myself Deepthi, laboratory in charge of this particular lab. I am going to give a glimpse about what do we do here. So it is the lab situated in Department of Robotics and Automation. So it is not like an ordinary lab where students will be coming and demonstrating and experimenting their predefined list of experiments. So here the students can create their own experiments by their ideas. So they walk into a laboratory with their ideas, and they can walk out with their design and prototype models with them. So we provide various facilities and tools to the students to transform their idea into one prototype model. We provide the students with various sensors, starting from a basic sensor, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensors to an embedded sensors, where the students can gather the information from the sensors and they can build their intelligent system. And we do have the actuators, various actuators, like starting from a stepper motor, servo motor, to an DC motor, geared motor, to an BO motors, where students can give the functionality to their board. And we have the controllers, very good controllers, starting from an Arduino MSB430 to an high-end controller like ARM LPC2148 and Jetson Nano Raspberry Pi, where students can create their own board by controlling various actions. We also believe giving an hands-on experience to the students. So we host the various workshops, training session and skill development program to the students. So in those workshops and training session, we provide students with how to build a sensor, how to interface the sensors within controller, and how to build a basic board like line follower board. So Open Innovation Lab is a lab where they can transform their idea into one prototype model.
Welcome to the Robo Simulation and Programming Laboratory, where innovation and technology come together. This is Priyadashni, Lab in charge. This lab is designed to help students explore robotics, AI, machine learning and more, giving you the tools to turn your ideas into real-world projects. Here, you work with software like Robotic, RoboStudio, ROS and many more to stimulate and program robots. Whether you're building automated systems or Refining industrial robots, the lab lets you experiment, test, and perfect your creations. The lab also incorporates cutting-edge technologies like VR, building simulations, and AI, allowing you to gain practical experience and collaborate across various fields. It's a place where you can push the boundaries of what's possible and turn your technical ideas into working solutions. At the heart of the space is collaboration. Students from all disciplines come together to solve challenges, pushing the limits of robotics and automation. Whether you are solving real world problems or developing future technology, you are gaining invaluable skills for the industries of tomorrow. If you are passionate about robotics, AI, or industrial applications, this is the right place to give life for your ideas. Join us in the Robot Simulation and Programming Lab, where we shape the future of technology.
I'm Kritika. I'm studying at Ramakrishna Engineering College at Department of Robotics and Automation. Our college has a main facilities of COE lab, which provides the opportunity for students to learn and do projects in real life. Currently, we are doing a project in logistics, which contains conveyor, a rack, microbot, and an autonomous mobile robot, in which it sorts the objects by OpenCV and picks and places the object in the AMR, which transport to the goal position when it is required.
Hello everyone, I'm Santosh and I'm excited to share that our project was selected up to the virtual POC round of TechGM, a national level innovation challenge organized by LTTS. We developed a mini propelled underwater robot with 3 thrusters, 2 in the front for forward, backward and lateral movement using the differential drive concept, and 1 in the rear to control the pitch. We faced and overcome several technical and design challenges along the way, which helped us grow both technically and as a team. I would like to sincerely thank the management for sponsoring us and our department for the continuous support.
Hi, I'm Apro SM, studying B.E. Robotics and Automation 3rd year in Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. So this is a problem statement for mini propelled underwater robot. So it has been designed for underwater surveillance for the L&T TechGM finals of the 8th edition. So it basically consists of 6 motors, which help the robot to traverse through X, Y and Z direction. It does communication through Ethernet cable to the PC, and from the PC you can control it using joystick. So we thank the department for providing support for us to complete this project.
Hello all, I am Bharani Kumar from 3rd year of Robotics and Automation. I am here to share my wonderful experience on creating a project. We are currently doing a project for the 8th edition of L&T TechGM. Our objective is to develop an enhanced version of the current battery management systems used in electrical vehicles, along with the prediction algorithm and digital twin replica. We tested several algorithms and went along with the XG gradient boosting algorithm for the prediction analysis of the physical parameters. We constructed a 6S battery pack and a microcontroller system to obtain the data from the physical battery pack. And also, we used a workstation and a HDMI display to create a separate work system for creating a separate ecosystem. We are grateful for the management on providing us with a wonderful opportunity to show our talents, and I sincerely express my gratitude on believing us and providing sufficient amount of funds to complete and develop an efficient product.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Sri Jayabharat, Alumni Robotics and Automation Engineering Department, SREC, 2023 passed out batch, and I am currently working as an Associate Product Marketer at L&T Technologies. I take immense pleasure in sharing about the key highlights and facilities that is provided by the department. One is the internship opportunities that are provided. I was able to do an intern during my 3rd year of the college at the Industry 4.0 setup at IISc Bangalore through Wipro Pari. And also during my final year, I was able to do a 1-year internship with Soliton, which made me to convert it as a full-time placement job. Followed by that, I was given immense opportunity to participate in hackathons like TechGM, Smart India Hackathon. And in the TechGM, my team was one of the top 10 finalists, and we were able to present about the electric vehicle battery management system. Followingly, we also published IEEE papers on it. And not only this, also the excellent lab facilities that is available in the department, which helps me to understand the academic knowledge that I've gained about robotics and automation, followed by the excellent mentorship and teacher guidance that is given in. I take immense pleasure and gratitude to thank my department for the opportunities that they have given to me. Anyone who is interested to learn about the advancing technologies and interdisciplinary branch of engineering and ready to solve an engineering problem, I think robotics and department engineering at SREC would be the right place. So once again, I thank the department for the excellent opportunities. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashni Sai. I'm working as an automation engineer in Wipro Pari, and also I'm an alumni of Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College under the Department of Robotics and Automation. Regardless of being the second batch student of this department, I've got enormous and explicit opportunities here. The faculties and the HODs, they were always there as the backbone to support the students and to lift them up to the next level. My ideas never went wasted. So all that you have to do is just to approach them with your ideas. You have enormous opportunities and laboratories for your ideas to be tested, to build, to go take it to the next level. All the guidance you need will be provided to you. All that you have to do is just to reach out to them, and that's what I did. So if you are given an opportunity to get into this department, I would say please go for it. Don't miss the chance, because this is a good foundation for you to reach greater heights. Thank you. All the best.